We're here today at Thurston Group in Wakefield. We're super excited because today marks the most recent factory tour event that we're going to be running, where we're expecting about 40 to 45 people through the door, all of which from different manufacturers and supply chain partners across the region and beyond. And they're all here to learn more about the incredible journey that Thurston Group have been on. So we're really looking forward to getting the leadership team involved. There's a bit of a panel discussion, obviously, as I say, a tour around the site. The idea being that hopefully a few of the people here today can pick up some ideas, take back to their businesses, and hopefully find smarter ways of working together. It's been an absolutely incredible day. Massive thank you to the team at Thurston, to everyone that's helped put it together. I know already from speaking to a few of the members that have been going out the door, it's been so valuable. So yeah, huge thank you to everyone that's been involved with this.